So for the people that want to know how to remove that reflector and also the reflector right there, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super easy. It really will, it'll take you maybe 3 to 5 minutes max, like max. I think it's ugly, so that's why I'm going to remove it. This one might be different than your Sportster fender. I'm not sure which ones, but some of them have like a little bolt right here. It's not gonna be the same. I mean, it's gonna be similar, but anyways, that bolt you'll just take out, and then there's like 2 bolts like here, and then on this side. You undo those, bracket slides, and then you can undo this. Mine is actually literally just double-sided taped onto there. So I'll get to this one in a second. I'm gonna start with the front one right now though. Basically what you're gonna need is literally just a heat gun, hair dryer, whatever you want. I already took the other side off. It's gonna be the same procedure. And then I'm using just a plastic like pry tool. You can use probably a credit card. I know some people use like fishing line. Whatever you have laying around. I don't have any fishing line, so grabbed that. If I didn't have that, I'd use a credit card or some sort of plastic. So that definitely did not come out how the other one did. The other one literally was barely even held on. This one was definitely held on a lot more, but again, it doesn't matter as long as you get it off. And then I'll just heat all this, this double-sided tape up, 3M, whatever, and then that will all clean right up. So there you go. Use a little bit of just some spray wax. Cleaned it all up. All these little nicks were from rock chips or whatever, I guess, from the previous owner. But yeah, nice and clean. Gets rid of that crap right there. Now I'll go ahead and do something very similar to the rear. Now that this is paint, I'm probably not going to heat it up as much, but I'm going to heat it up from the backside and just pull it out. So there you go. Use a little bit of just some spray wax. Cleaned it all up. All these little nicks were from rock chips or whatever, I guess, from the previous owner. But yeah, nice and clean. Gets rid of that crap right there. Now I'll go ahead and do something very similar to the rear. Now that this is paint, I'm probably not going to heat it up as much, but I'm going to heat it up from the backside and just pull it out. It actually looks like I'm not even going to need to heat it up. So, as you guys can see, you can literally just bend it down. The 3M's definitely strong stuff, so it might take a minute, but just go slow pressure with it. And be careful to not press too hard because you might actually damage the paint on top of it. It pops through. So just wiggle it back and forth. And there you go. Now that one's off as well. There's a little bit of double-sided tape behind here. I'll just use my fingers and get that off. But there you guys go. Just cleans it up a little bit. That looks horrible. So yeah, that completes getting rid of the side markers, the reflectors there, reflector there. There's little ones underneath here. I'm gonna leave those because you can't even really see them. I don't really care that much to remove those ones. But there you guys go.